Hello, my readers and YouTubers. I am glad you're here. My name is Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons. Today I'd like to do a very simple animal, a pig. Pigs are just absolutely adorable. At least I think they are. So we're going to start with a big circle for the head, like this. And we'll give him a little body with an arch right here, kind of drooping right here. And little tiny feet. This knee goes back, that's the knee, and this way. This rump goes back into here, and this right here where I'm pointing, that's the heel on an animal. I know that's weird, you don't think that that's the heel, but that is the heel on an animal. Alright, so now that we've got most of that done, let's go in and kind of do the design of the face. We're going to go down here and create a forehead. Like that, and add a snout. And we're going to add a small snout. I'm going to bring this in further, away from the body a little bit, so we can give him a little more kind of indication of a neck, even though he's not going to have a neck. I'll race here and I'll race here so the body doesn't overlap the limbs. And how about some small eyes, both on the same side of the face for fun, okay? Make them look up, kind of like, uh-oh, what did I do this time? So eyebrows going up, and a big snout, 2 holes in it. Little mouth here, we're going to cup it down like this. So I'm going to erase this part right here. And pigs have very long ears. You don't think about that because everyone's thinking about the snout, but they have very long ears, and that makes them unique. So make sure you bring that in. Bring the cheek out this way, and we'll bring hooves on an angle like that. I think I'm going to make this ear go in the other direction. And a little bit of like an earlobe, but on top. I'll erase over here so it doesn't go through, the shape doesn't go through the ear. A little bit of hair and some ridges for the snout. And some grass so it doesn't look like he's floating. A little bit of a worried look there on our little piglet. There you go, something very simple to draw but a lot of fun. Pig characters, very smart animals, so you can give them all sorts of expressions and it works. Thanks for joining me. I hope you subscribe. I have new videos every Monday. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.